In this tutorial, I will refer as pink, salmon, and green. First, fold all the strings in half. Cross 2 strings in the center as shown. Use the other string and make one larkhead knot on the crossed part. By doing this way, the loop color will be pink on the left and salmon on the right. For this one, we start working from the left side. Separate the pink string and make 5 forward-backward knots. On the right side, take the salmon string and make 6 backward-forward knots. Form a loop and attach it firmly on the working surface. From the left, the color order should be pink, green, green, salmon, pink, and salmon. Take the left green string and make 1 double backward knot onto the pink string. This will complete the initial step that we won't repeat. From the next screen, we'll start making the pattern. Take the left pink string and make 4 double forward knots. Now we make 3 knots using the left green string. The first 2 are double forward knots, and the third knot will be forward backward knot. Now we move on to the right side. Take the salmon, which is the second string from the right, and make 4 double backward knots. Now take the right edge string, which is pink, and make 2 double backward knots and 1 backward forward knot. This completes one round. We repeat these steps. Take the second string from the left, which is green, and make 4 double forward knots. Now take the left edge string, which is salmon, and make 2 double forward knots and 1 forward backward knot. Now take the second string from the right, which is pink, and make 4 double backward knots. Now take the right edge string, which is green, and make 2 double backward knots and 1 backward forward knot. We just completed 2 rounds of steps. Here is the close-up of the third round. Make 4 double forward knots. Make 2 double forward knots and 1 forward backward knot. Make 4 double backward knots. Make 2 double backward knots and 1 backward forward knot. Now we're back to the start of making the pattern. Repeat all the steps until it reaches the desired length. This is how I finish in order to have the same colors on both right and left. After making 4 double backward knots, I made 5 double backward knots using the edge right string. If you reach the desired length with 4 double forward knots, you can do 5 double forward knots using the left edge string. Divide the 6 strings into 2 and make 3 strand braids on each side. Finish the braids with overhand knots. Cut the excessive strings and you're done. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon.